Hey YouTube, this is a little video on how I fixed my camera shutter. I had the same issue as several others out there that shutter wouldn't open. I tried a lot of different things. I restored my phone several times and it wouldn't work. I downloaded free apps. The mirror app, I saw a video out there on that and that didn't work. I saw a video out there on covering the lens and confusing the camera somehow. That definitely didn't work. What I did to fix my shutter was I first restored it to its original settings, and prior to putting all my apps and stuff back in, syncing it with my iTunes, I jailbroke my phone. I'm running on 4.1 software. It's iPhone 3GS. I don't know if it'll work on iPhone 4. Hopefully it does. Again, I restored it to its original settings and I jailbroke it, and then I added all my stuff back on, all my apps and stuff. It's obviously working. I'm using the phone to film this video. Hopefully it'll work for you guys. Another issue I was having, and it lasted for a while, and I figured this problem out with information that I got from Tech Guru. The only reason I knew I couldn't restore my phone was, after having the camera issue, I kept getting a 3014 error. I switched 4 or 5 different cables. That didn't work. I used all my 8 ports, all my 8 USB ports, and that didn't work. His information was pretty straightforward. I only had to do a couple little different things to it, but it's pretty straightforward. If you have any questions on that, hit me up, and I'll let you guys know what I did to fix mine. So by having the shutter problem, I actually fixed 2 issues on my phone. Tech Guru, man, that's a bright man. He knows what he's doing. Ups for that, man. And yeah, hopefully this will work for you guys. Good luck.